Chenia lawyers in a we administrative in Yamanin in area. Or channel there, ultimate MP my going easy say better police for bomb.
Ebusian for aha Ghana 70 VGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Nyama nkoyi. Nyama nkoyi. Se de ekoso no. O pese o kakra. Ebusian for obi bia onya asem bia Ghana asese no. Se okoku obi krampo a until a court of competent jurisdiction find you guilty as charged, you are presumed innocent. Now, se nipa no innocent, you treat the person with all the accompaniments comes with innocence. Okay? Now, near course say, our mind we money say. I say, anytime somebody who is part of MPP is going through this process, the person is even treated worse, okay, than obi oye armed robber. That is what is going on. And no na chema wunto mean sensema ekoso. Sometimes I'm not challenging the court, the wisdom of the court, but ultimately who bail condition be pa. We say we the nyasem bi enim. Ebia o say nipa no kope obi mbra na ombeye surety man. No fa a dime back so bra. But a dime no as a dime e war Accra. Ade Accra nkwa na Ghana. There be. But because Upesa put this nipa in a tight corner, and you demand say, as a dine Accra by all means. That was what happened with Iyoko. Now she saying so no, Asema chema want to menya with CID no. Apparently, allegedly no. Near course they say, Omusi, Uncle Pen nipa miensa. Se ombeye surety mano. Na sa nipa miensa nkoko peno no. Ebusha vo. Omu na ese omu wo dan. Omu dan na omu fambra. Na dan ni so yese dan wako to bi o there bi. Ese dan no assassin ewo wudim. Na mibisa say what is difficult about the fact say you can let Chemawuntumi bring his own properties to secure bail? What is difficult about that? And I'm a brony bayenti. Meanwhile, no, Chemawuntumi ni passport, is with Iyoko. Ni passport for Iyoko, and Chemawuntumi nyo obi obetumi edwane free o man wem. And se musi bail na mbe grantina, se court granting the bail. We using the property. I feel my bra. Ako nya nkrofo na. Afi de nipa police ni a obedi omichi ako hwe fie no say oh fie we de enukure e wa ha e wa say this say it is equal to maybe 15 million a omu seti no. Po uko ene a e say police no ni ho. Omu ko echi na police na ye busy. Adentia just because they want to keep Chemawuntumi in custody. Ebusanfo ne ekoso nyina no. I hope say Ghana for share. And I hope say the silence of Ghanaians, it means say nothing wrong is being done. And the MPP for ba number the same thing the same silence as is being witnessed today no. Ye hope say that same silence will prevail in 2029. Na say na ye pe o mind ya ye gereje busenfo video is happening. For Yandoh and it don't go anywhere.
Also social media so and even traditional mainstream media crop will be because teacher to me sika be na wo no and na wontimi emma ne ho be court nearby and a judge say you be match ma wontimi bail enipa mmiɛnsa so far no police na kwa enipa ensia senso ɛna ɛsɛ ma ne bill ka court no ka sɛ kyerɛ wontumi ankasa ma ne ho bill dia bɛgye de sisi anka ɔtifie because ɛde sɛ dan baako bi landed property baako yɛ 15 million baako nso so 10 million nka kyerɛ ma wontumi wɔ saa nneɛma agyapade ni but yɛsɛ nipa bi na ɛmfa mmra na ɛna fam mɛtwa ka kyerɛ sɛ wɔkɔ East Legon ɛne Westlands anaasɛ West Legon na adan akɛse bebree wɔ hɔ nyinaa no ɛnqualify sɛ wɔde ba court sɛ wɔde bɛma obi bill bebree no bɔ documents ɛwɔ so no ɛyɛ indenture bi ana ɛwɔ so indenture so ntumi fa indenture document ɛmfa ma court agye sɛ de wɔwɔ land title adan akɛse bebree mɛtumi aka sɛ bidibani hwɛ a bɛyɛ 70% of adan akɛse wɔn kan no 70% ntumi fa ma court na wowie nso so a na wakɔ evaluation or value ɛdan no enti wo te no awose wo dan we die value ɛda so ebe 10 million na akɔfa obi amaba be value ɔse bi ayɛ 12 million ba wo de ba court wa ɛwɔ sɛ de aban no nso so ama no tumi sɛ ɔno bɛyɛ evaluation no AYSL ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo nso kɔ no kɔyɛ evaluation ɔmo kɔyɛ a ebi a wo de no kwa na 12 million bɛhwɛ no sɛ na 7 million afei wo de ba court no bɔsɛ no so a ɛnso enti court asɛm die yɛ ka kyerɛ sɛ yama bail na kɔfɛ japade yɛ 1 million kropo ba in fact me nuanom ɛnafo enti ɛnyɛ kyɛma wontumi ne woni sika de nyamenkya de wo bi ba yɛ ka sɛ ke ama ne self recognizance bill sɛ wɔno ankasa ɛmfa ne japade mmra de a ɛkɛsɛ akɔ de fi adwo no ho bɛsɛ nkɔfo na ɛnkɔfa mmra ɛnbi baako bi saka ho AYSL fo no ɛkɔyɛ evaluation de mawa according to mmra ɔmoji percentage emu fi ɔmoji percentage enti me imagine say wakoye value dan na eye ebi afa say eye 10 million Ghana cedis na omo oje 1% krampo of the 10 million na eye say this was say tuya wo mpeso mo make na say I just say wo say tuya 1% of the value of the property into no ye wo kofa ban this was afese kasa ka ho kotua years of obekọ friend say lands commission akwa kwohwe ne no so watua enti enafom banyamencha de ne no ya bibi awi batade asa nyame adom ekina de tema wontumi wo befia me nyina na di weekend ba bloggers my yard nyambo echo de bedi nkomo bi why
when I see Sanka me there until say be na free police CID hono there me no I would say you're comfortable because you was school secondary school class staff common room and nim class of our head near the nipa to police CID headquarters asem to hold police bomb but ne wo mutuo ni ade ade nyina agu ne ade obi akoto wo so won dawo enti wo bre ti stress nyame mboa na wo kyena no se ne lawyers ne kase wi administrative nyama ne nyina awie no wo kyena no de ontimi MP mayem ko enye easy se obeda police for bomb ne wo mutuo ho ya ye de ye
motenenka
areho na ho obeda akoho police for CID headquarters o enti no eja yes stress wo kyena de nyame nya adom ne enyi wuntumi mayem na ne ho aye mobododo mumwa
maybe so administrative work you delay and say boakaye na it means
fair to every Ghanaian. What I say, and now koye wuntumi nti no, I say obi anu ayedi no kyena ekoye me no mienu a, wan hwe agi say esun na ya busuafo de bedi echi na ya de akotum. What I say, ye mmoa na bail condition abesinsen wie mu sese a kakraka esododo. Eno na ama ya che no because 25 million friend saying landed property dey you obi na wo bi o. Who be crying no afe ne yakwa akɔhwɛ sɛ den ne den na cement dodo a ɛtɔ wɔ dan ne mu ne curtains egu mu ne de egu ansana ya be ye evaluation ajato nti no ama na yɛ den minia yɛn kasentia wo emra ne say enye fair to every Ghanaian ba koye sɛ wuntumi nti ye hwɛ sɛ ne wuntumi tie ne de kakraka wi kɔto no so a na koye den ama no ti wɔkyena de yɛ srɛ sɛ ba bi de wuntumi akɔto ne yɛnyi ne mpie na ne hunto no ko staff common room kra wo fa ni mu a ede na nka police ID headquarters sɛ room gadan kitu abi na edi wuntumi atumu are wakum nipa
Chairman, the real conditions where their reports are mountains.
yeah what I say and Dr. Brian Champon also a one camp but that is what I'm saying say it shouldn't be that way o che se nyina ye funu ba ko mu ade a ye nyina ye MPP for nti no at any point bia no bibi a unite here na we should foster for it enya de divide here ena wuntumi na ne ho aba asem o ene ye ni say ochina ebe dane o che ase by that time no so na obi zuzu obi no ka se onye ma wa enya ade a ebe ye wo de because 2-2 ye NDC ni bi eni ho beba ha agi MPP fo ya nti ehun ne se ye nipa ba ko just that competition na aba nti no doesn't also mean say what say no so chiche yemu what I say we are against inchichemu but I'm rather for a united front to abitime aboy nyina.
And me point in say me bisa yeah internal MPP for since case we see here from national executives uhwe from party chairman ono de yamfa no say ne ho dodo no ne ho mfa no which is chairman team from general secretary first vice second vice third vice from there to national organizer executives no DNT na ya chi your stronghold chairman 4 days up to date nobody yeah na follow case now someone amu your witness who do you see national executive because want to me uncontested MPP primaries no uncontested but what the order no until because of nipa order no until musro ya chi your stronghold chairman not full executives mu nyina mo atiada until mo pa say party no bibi tumo amu national executives as a youth of the party yes we enter down na you follow arms send them I follow my arms say I'm asking them look the party belong to MPP not that national executives who say two wuntumi a ebia omo ba omo so ye be ye omo bibi eno de omo nye leader because look nema national executive youth no omo bu ofu mo papa me I don't care to speak the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Nema amu ye no mun deserve say mun lead the party no because as a warrior ye di ekoma mo say national executives a ese mo hwe nsuo mu ewie mu a good or bad you need to stand for the party want to me is our stronghold chairman ya chino 4 days no anybody is coming to is to save him yankasa oba e kire say uye bibi but one ba what does it mean until
now what if say among person bet say the esi wo yoko ne
yoko say
say nkofu bebe gu ho ma nyoma bebe say okay yoko incident
yoko omo koye no eno de na ekosi
my party for massive about the entrance of Yoko. And also by asking for like even with parliamentarians also coming there to stay sit down in and probably they don't want to actually garner that kind of
no, my brother, I'm not me no yes I know. Party executives must to show they are party executives. Until na maybe say wasem until all the national executives ye chi obi na youth no. Na so I can't say obi undi omo echi a how the party run. Say mo ye adwuma we as a journalist and then bloggers we every day I see you moving together. Do you think say two of mu amugino ho na obi aba attack one of them mu baako a you fold your arm say we na enya na asem then you are not and then come on nanti as a group send the info be ani so you need to work in group nti na mu nam no bibi tu obi a na obi aboa so what I say nti me two me national executives omo sandwen say obi nti na omo mpese omo mbe omo pese omo follow arms ama wontumi omo asem dam ase thank you very much for obi abaha the mechanic na say nipa say or tete wa we hear dey a obetete o but what I want to tell NDC government is they for temper justice to the mercy kwan a omo de yenua panyini ben bosu akon wontumi efa so enye etete no doso because I didn't in the mechanics. We 88. Ne, power no. Yan fanswa, edisi ha. Nra, na power no, ne wo MPP for. Ghana for power no, free. MPP for her. Edi my NDC. Until ne wo ye bibi because of what tiny panwa. Na wo tete no. Hwe anopa nyina say ye ne mo na e wa ha mo hu de esi ya bre aye bibia wie omo say omo ko yi no aba say ya ebeti say judge no order for passport want to me passport and the passport no so it was still state ho because Yoko is part of the state Yoko ho na omo say before e free Yoko ho amba high court ha omo ntime release no nti eno ka ho a ene nkofo 2 bi omo be kwa akwohwe omo where they stay eno na e ka ho ane chairman wuntumi yantima
that's it. So far so good. All the documents needed to secure the release of chairman, so the court the director and a court in order, we've met all those conditions. I can say the investigator no sureties in fee. Then tomorrow morning we execute the bail conditions. So the chairman BP. And hopefully chairman kita for Ghana for Nyame adoma ochina we expect say Mr. Benedict Chubosi akochema wuntumi babonti. We all the necessary documentation. As far as the justification of the bail conditions they concern, we are done. Subject to say check the sureties, or more fixed place of abode. Now back, then we execute the bail condition. Thank you very much.
Experience last year. Emma Mapuina said, yeah, hope testing. That's all one idea coming one capacity of once. No, we are proud of contest. And I'm one. The first time Dr. Mabuba, they give people 10 and then they contested the one. And you know us, land bearer. Sani pattern and then contest for Sani pattern and the one. I can't pattern. If 5 in 1 2. They know who we are, say if I'm not answering. I see if you say they've seen something. Say it is pointless or begging, or pray, or money in the prayer. And then we should they're prepared for formidable and winnable candidates. Oh, bring now a party for another one. But no pet and say fantasy and family. She didn't sign everyone. Now, advantage by one or we are connected to her. He said, along the way, the experience happened now. So, being in tea, so they pray, Akunya or conference in one. Which we catch and say, we the 1 mountain, another one. Who can be wrong? When you team 10, 1 mountain, I didn't because you value the importance of time. Over candidates mean your advantage of time, aside qualities and what have you. Dr. Mabuba. Time because a man, they are campaigning at home. Across every electoral area, across every church, every shop, every business, every school. The being more than allowed to be in Dr. Mabuba. Who's been deserved to be class why am I vice president? And what did you say? Allow me out. So time is important because you know we are not every neighbor 2028 in America. So we can catch them say October 2025, about 10 say I mean this whole position is to say we have experience and another one. But it's important say the same because many which say in the song they need accept for be except the belief that the Nigeria will be minister of the party. Yes, I again happy January.